Hello travel buddies and friendships, this is my last video of AlUla, a very historical city of Saudi Arabia. It was forbidden for Muslims to go to AlUla because they believed that this place was cursed. AlUla was a significant crossroads for ancient civilization, with evidence of human settlements dating back to prehistoric times. In 2020, King Salman bin Abdulaziz approved a new organizational structure for the Royal Commission for AlUla. AlUla's development principles emphasize respect for landscape, culture, and heritage. AlUla, a little under 300 kilometers north of Medina in Saudi Arabia, is both less and more than a city. Travel buddies and friendships, nandito kami ngayon sa Panagea and we're going to do a safari. Supposed to be mag-start kami ng 1:30 but it's too hot, so we decided to do at 3, which is perfect. Ayan, nag-start na kami ng aming safari and we hope we can find a camel. Sabi ni Faris, no camel. This is Faris, our tour guide, and taking us around to the Sharaan Nature Reserve. This is Sharaan Nature Reserve with a breathtaking scenery of AlUla. Sharaan is a natural habitat, stands to the northeast of Hegra and Elephant Rock, approximately 45 minutes from AlUla's old town. There are animals that can be seen here and hopefully we will see something, such as gazelles, redneck ostriches, endangered Arabian wolves, and as well as Arabian leopard. It's good, wow. Oop. Oop, oop, Shahada. Are we going inside?
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful, wow, wow. Wow, tamam, wow, wow. Shukran, shukran. Tamam, tamam. This is it Faris? Firas?
Yeah.
Firas. I cannot pronounce his name. Firas, Faris, Firas. Later on, Huwasalan. Kabar Faris, Firas, Faras. Sitting on 3,000 years of history, the Sharaan Nature Reserve covers an area of 1,500 square kilometers and falls under the Vision of AlUla 2030. Everywhere you go here, there is a unique rock formation and you will never get bored. There are rocks that look like human faces, animals, mushrooms, like chisel paintings, but made by natural forces such as rain and wind. This is also the place where the voice echoed, and yet it's an open air. See what I meant? Did you hear that? We're heading to the Camel Valley, pero walang camel.
called it the Camel Valley because merong mga inscriptions of camels. So I presume perhaps noong unang panahon, marami silang camels.
Engravings of hunters holding spears on horses and camels can be seen on AlUla's mountains, which held religious significance to the Dadanites and Lionites, who worshipped whatever benefited them. These inscriptions are 3,000 years old, with drawings of camels and horses, and as well as inscriptions of stories. In the past, Arab only worshipped the divine trinity, the star, the sun, and the moon. For the Arabs, the camel had a communal significance, so did the bull, which represented fertility, and the lion, which represented strength and resilience. Man started with symbols, then drawing, then writing, all of which can be found on these mountains. Some people say these are the different Arabic languages, and that is wrong. In fact, they are different Arabic writings. Arabic is the mother language, one language that evolved through time. Current Arabic style of writing is derived directly from the Nabatean kingdom.